question English, one question Danish.
Jonas, the story at the bus was Mathieu and also Mark told. Jonas thought he was going to die 2 years ago, but now he's back at his very best. What's your part of that story?
Yeah, I think that's true. I didn't think I was going to die. I was actually quite sure I was going to die. So to be back here in a yellow jersey is just for me amazing. It's something that I dreamed of, and yeah, I'm almost lost for words. But I just want to thank my teammates for this victory and giving me the chance to just be wearing the yellow jersey again.
Is that book closed now? Is it a closed chapter?
I mean, it's a closed chapter, but it's something that will always follow me in some kind of way. So obviously, it's something I feel like it's behind me, but it's also part of my book, so to say.
Enjoy.
Okay, Danish.
Jonas, stort tillykke. Hvad betyder det her for strategien, at I nu skal forsvare mere end at angribe kommende fremad her?
Jo, man kan sige, det er jo et lille tidsgevinst, så det er jo ikke fordi, det er noget, der kommer til at ændre på det samlede resultat, tror jeg ikke. Men det er jo klart, at det er nok mest også den følelse, det giver at have en gul trøje. Og ja, så tænker jeg, at vi skal prøve at forsvare de kommende dage og se, hvad der sker.
Og